This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Custom-built one-owner brick home nestled on a 1+ acre lot in highly sought-after Little Neck Cove. Home offers everything to include large circle driveway, warm southern-style front porch, open floor plan, gleaming hardwoods throughout, custom-designed chef's kitchen west/double wall ovens, dual dishwashers, massive 13x4 FT island, red birch cabinetry, and a gas cooktop. First floor has a giant primary bedroom west/large ensuite, closet and connecting office/nursery/bedroom. Upstairs you will find 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, an office area and a huge entertainment room west/wet bar. Entertainers dream inside and out with deck, pool, hot tub, fire pit area and more. For more information, review the details below.